Hello guys, today I will show you how you can create your own template in Codeblocks so that you can save your valuable time for competitive programming. So let's get started. Open your Codeblocks app. You must check your Codeblocks is updated, otherwise this trick is not going to work, okay? Now first move into settings, then editor and find abbreviations. Here you will see keywords and code. Then you will have to type your template desired code here and name it as a keyword. Now I am showing you how you can do it. Here I am going to save my template keyword as find. You can save it as you want. Then I need my actual code here. I have saved my code in Notepad and I am going to copy and paste it. I don't have many lines of code here because I am not a pro coder, but use it as you want. If you want to copy it from my code, you will find it in my description, and I know you are going to use your own code. Then paste it here. Now okay. After this I will show you how you can pop up this template in your code. This is very important, I know. I'm just opening a new file as new code. And then I'll type fine as this was my keyword, you remember? And then I will type Ctrl J. Then it is done. এই ইনফরমেটিভ ভিডিওটি যদি আপনাদের ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে দয়া করে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন। আপনার ছোট্ট একটু ফিডব্যাক আমাদের জন্য অনেক কিছু, যেটা আমাদের ভবিষ্যতে ভিডিও বানানোর অনুপ্রেরণা দিয়ে থাকে। ধন্যবাদ।